Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an API key to Replit using the Secrets tool, ensuring your credentials stay private and secure in 2026. Step 1. Access the Secrets tool. To keep your API keys safe, you should never paste them directly into your code. Instead, you'll use Replit's built-in Environment Variable Manager. In your Replit workspace, look at the Tools section in the lower left sidebar, or click the magnifying glass Search at the top and type Secrets. Clicking this opens the Secrets pane. This tool encrypts your sensitive data, meaning if you share your project or someone forks your REPL, your actual API keys remain hidden from them. Step 2. Add your key and value. Now you'll define the specific variable that your code will look for. Click the New Secret button. In the key field, type a name for your variable, for example, OpenAI_API key. In the value field, paste your actual API key. It is a standard convention to use all caps and underscores for keys. Once you click Add Secret, Replit securely stores the information. In the 2026 interface, you can also click the Edit as .env button at the bottom if you prefer to manage multiple keys in a text-based list. And that's pretty much it. To add an API key in 2026, open the Secrets tool from the sidebar, enter a key name and your API value, and then use os.environ or process.env to pull that key into your code, which keeps your credentials safe while allowing your app to connect to external services like OpenAI or Anthropic. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.